Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 7031, it usually means there is a browser or playback compatibility issue, most commonly on web like Chrome, Edge, Firefox. So the fix is straightforward once you target the cause. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error 7031 on Prime Video in 2026, fast and effective. So you have to know that this error is usually a browser issue, often related to DRM like content protection, fixable in minutes. So this error is very common on web playback. So update your browser. For example, open Chrome, Edge, Firefox, check for updates and restart browser, okay, because outdated browsers often trigger this error. You can also enable DRM like protected content for Chrome and Edge. For example, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings, enable protected content. It's required for Prime Video playback. You can also disable extensions, so turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions, reload Prime Video. Some extensions block video playback, okay? You can also turn off VPN or proxy, so disable VPN refresh page, and Prime Video may block playback with VPN. You can also clear browser cache, so go to browser settings, clear cache and cookies. It fixes corrupted data issues. Try another browser, like switch from Chrome to Edge or Safari. It helps isolate the problem, okay? Check hardware acceleration, like enable or disable hardware acceleration in browser settings. Sometimes it fixes playback conflicts, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.